Toastmasters. My name is Shanda Vandenbark and I am the Vice President of Education for Gilbert Toastmasters. And this video is designed to answer some of the questions regarding the ACS, the Advanced Communicator Silver. Now the Silver is the next step in the Toastmaster educational program after the Advanced Communicator Bronze. So after you turn in your paperwork, you do your 2 manuals for the Advanced Communicator Bronze, send that information to the Vice President of Education, and they submit that to Toastmasters International. Your first step on the journey of the Advanced Communicator Silver is to go onto the Toastmasters International site, go under Shop, and search again for the advanced manuals. Now these are the same manuals that you did for the bronze, but you're going to then look for 2 different manuals than you did before. Now these manuals look like this. The types of manuals are speaking to inform, public relations, facilitating discussions, storytelling. Those types of items are what the advanced manuals are trying to teach our Toastmasters how to be successful at. So the nice thing about the advanced manuals is you can pick items, pick manuals based on the areas that you need to work in as a speaker, and also things that will help you in your life, in your career, in your specific communication style. So it can really help you throughout other things besides just Toastmasters. Now you need to do, just like the Advanced Communicator Bronze, you need to do 2 of these manuals. And again, the manuals have 5 projects in them. And what I would do, what's helpful for me to keep myself organized, is this is actually my specific ACS manual. And on it, I've put my name and then ACS so that I don't get them mixed up with my ACB or in the future my ACG manuals. And I can keep them somewhat separated. Now when I'm working on them, in the back, just like the other ones, the other manuals that I have done, I have the project completion record, and I can put down the actual speeches that I've done, the dates, and then I can ask the VPE to sign my speech project so that I can then, after I finish 2, I can give that to the VPE to submit my award. Now the other part of receiving the Advanced Communicator Silver is doing some of the 2 of the Better Club series or the Better Speaker series. Now, what these are speeches that Toastmasters International has put together to teach people a bit more about Toastmasters, as well as teach the club vital skills that help Toastmaster clubs be better clubs in general and make better speakers. These can be found on the Toastmasters International site as well. So if you go to Toastmasters International and then go under Shop and type in Better Club Series, then you will get a list of all of the different speeches. Now, the really nice thing about these types of speeches is they are free if you decide to do the digital content. You can also pay for them and they can send you the paperwork if you want, but if you're good with printing, you got a printer, then I suggest clicking the little item that says digital content, and it will show up with 0. You still have to go through the process of paying that, but it will charge you $0. And then print that information out. Now I have done that for items for myself. I currently have printed the Keeping the Commitment and the Toastmasters Educational Program. These are the 2 that I have printed that I am working on. Now in these speeches there is actually a script and a PowerPoint presentation that you can use. Now, there's some differences that you can do for different clubs, and you really need to talk to your VPE on what is more of the culture for these speeches for your specific club. Gilbert Toastmasters does this. We oftentimes don't follow the specific script for these, but what we do is we read the script, take in that information, and then apply that to what we do and what our specific culture is in our club. So for example, for the Toastmaster Educational Program, we've got quite a few members who are working on their CL, their Competent Leader, as well as their ALS and ACG. It's kind of a weird mixture. So when I did this specific speech, I focused more on those specific ones because I knew the majority of our members were in one of those categories. So you can work on these speeches and make them really helpful for your club, but do speak with your VPE of what will work for these speeches. Now, you need to do 2 of these. Now, the other option, you don't have to do 2 of the Better Club and the Better Speakers. You can just do 2 of either of those. So if you're more interested in the speaker one, you can go under the Toastmasters International and then search for the Better Speaker series, and then decide which one of those, if any of those interest you, to be able to complete that. And those are the same exact thing as the Better Club series. They have a script on there and a PowerPoint, and you can make a decision on what works for you and what would help your club to really progress to the next level of Toastmaster excellence for your club and yourself. Now, the trick with these speeches, I have actually done a number of these speeches, and I wasn't very organized at one point in time for these speeches. Now, so I had to do more of them because I didn't do a good job of documenting them. Now, in this packet that you're going to print out, there is a form in here for the evaluator. So when you get to the meeting, you're going to actually give this piece of paper, not a manual, you're going to give the piece of paper to your evaluator. They're going to write on that page, and then you're going to take that page home. Now, what I highly suggest you do is that you have a Toastmaster file or someplace where you keep your Toastmaster stuff, and you put that piece of paper someplace so that you don't lose it, because you are going to have to give that to your VPE as record that you completed that speech to be able to get your ACS. And if not, you might end up like me and have to do more than what you needed to be able to complete that award, because I was not organized. So do better than me and organize yourself so that you don't have to do more than what is required for that specific award. These are actually kind of fun speeches to do, so I would challenge you to try to think outside the box a bit on what would help you and your club become better Toastmasters and Toastmasters clubs. And that will help everybody and also make it a little bit more rewarding for you to finish your award. Now, after you do all of that, send that stuff to the VPE. You'll get information from in the mail. You'll get an award, and then you can go on to your Advanced Communicator Gold, which is the next step in the communication educational program. If you have any questions, by all means, send an email to me, ask any of the Gilbert Toastmasters, and we'd be happy to help you. Hope that answers your questions. Thank you much.